Hey everyone, Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over 3 exercises for neck pain. So in today's video, we'll be covering 3 exercises specific for your neck. So you'll want to lay on a bench or the floor, and what you're going to do is just a J motion with your chin. So you're going to kind of tuck your chin down towards the floor and try to elongate your spine up this direction. So it's going to look like this. It's a subtle motion, and you're going to want to make sure that you don't lift your head, and you should feel some gentle tension in the anterior neck. Another good cue can be making a double chin. So we'll do about 6 in this position. And then we're going to flip over on our hands and knees and then rock back, and with our mid neck we're going to try to pivot, and we'll go up into extension about halfway and down to flexion about halfway. Try to utilize the full neck from the base of your skull to your upper back, and again about half the range of motion, and then as you progress you can gradually increase the range of motion to full. Again, we'll do about 6 in this position. And then from there, we'll do some lateral lifts. So you're going to lay on your side, support your head, and you're going to lift your ear up towards the ceiling and down. Again, you can limit the range of motion initially and start with about half range of motion and then progress as you get stronger. Again, we'll do about 6. And then flip sides. You can follow along with the video, or if you need to do less or more depending on your current fitness and injury level, you can tailor it to your personal needs. That's it for today. We really hope you found this video helpful and helps address any neck pain that you have.